welcome to my first ever YouTube video. I am Alfie and we're just going to load into a game called Balloon Tower Defense 6. Whilst it's loading, as you see, quite small, I am sitting on my bed. We're going to be playing some Balloon Tower Defense 6 today. I have played this a bit before, but not that much. I'm not very good, I must say. But yeah. Just see how it goes. If it's good, I'll upload it. If it's not, trash. As you see, just loading in now. Unleashing Monkey Sun, going downloading. Yeah, so as soon as we get in, we're going to hop right into a game. We're going to just do beginners just to warm up a bit. So yeah. Welcome. My Balloon Tower Defense is Monkey Popper 66, I believe. So yeah. In we go. Update 20. Jesus, that's new stuff. There's a new skin for this guy. Oh, cool. The Spirit of the Mountain Awakening. Oh, that's sick. Open a present. Why not? What's in here? More pups to open. Right, let's do the new map. Easy, why not? Standard. Wait, standard? Oh, okay, doesn't matter. Who cares? Oh, yeah, no, it's easy. Why did it say standard? Do you know what? Who cares? So we're just going to start with easy. It is on thing, I believe. It is on auto start, so it will just keep playing the levels and levels and levels. So, yep, now we'll just speed this up a bit. Why not? See if we can find any new secrets in this. You can remove the buildings. When you open, oh, that's sick. When you click this present, penguin or something flies out. Or that's just me. Wait, what is there? A gingerbread in it? Yeah, you got one catch for every layer of balloon pop. Oh yeah, I know. Sorry. That's fun. You can send them. Oh, and then off they go. Ah, that's right then. Yeah, I do get it. Oh, okay. Anything else new? No? Oh, yeah, oh, okay. I'm just going to go up here and so. I'm going to place down a quick spike trap, just in case. You never know. Just for like one more time fun. Boom. This guy's pretty holding out pretty fast right now. Do you know what? I might as well just get a sniper up here. I mostly like to go bottom and middle route for this. I don't really know why, I just like going bottom route because it shoots fast and it's pretty much like a minigun and it has a long range, so that's me. I would probably say my favourite tower is probably the helicopter or wizard. Helicopter or wizard. They're my favourite. I do also like the Dark Knight. But I never really get to him because he's a lot of money. You know, might as well just get a wizard in here. We're gonna get a water tower in a minute. If you're wondering, I do have a bit of a blocked nose, so if you hear me, you know why. Right then. We'll put you down. Alright, so we're gonna level him up a bit. It might just be me, but I like the bottom route. It just seems fun for me. I just like it. We've still got my sniper over here. Oh yeah, and this is, I might have said it already, but this is my first ever YouTube video, so if it's bad, you know why. That's my excuse. Yeah, so let's go. I'm gonna literally just save up and maybe get a ship, or I'm gonna either level up mine. You know what? I'm gonna save up and get a ship. You always need to have backup, because I used to just level things up like really far, and then they would just not, and then balloons would just get past them, and that was like the only good tower I had. And then they would get past. There you go. Let's get one ship. Alright, let's get it going. Right. I am actually gonna go for. I haven't been playing it this long, so I don't have like the final. Oh, I can get one. Which one? I was saving. I might as well just get the carrier. I need to save up for the carrier ship. Just a bit more. Actually, that's interesting. Well, hopefully we get to that in this video. I might end that as like my end video or something. Never know. As you see, he has a very buck gold teeth. Right then, we've got enough to. No, we don't. We've got enough to level up our sniper a bit. I am actually going to save up to get a helicopter or something soon. Well, I might as well just do it now. I don't know why would you want. Oh wait, I forgot about this guy. I don't know why I'm calling it a guy. It's a machine. Oh my god. Should I? I literally have to move you guys everywhere, guys. I'll put you here. Hopefully you're there. We'll try this again. Oh wait, no, I just upgraded it. Well, I can upgrade it to the cloud flag, but I'm going to save that for the end of the video. Because why not? I'm going to sell this and then quickly put another one down. There we go. Right, we have 2440, pretty much halfway there. Well, more than halfway. Wait, I see you don't. What happens if you.